Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is K Dash. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Savage Fenty. Yes, it launched last week. The shipping was pretty fast. I got the box today, so I got a couple of items. I'm going to share that with you guys, talking about how it fits on me, the material, how if it's worth it, if it's affordable, and all that stuff. So if that interests you, keep watching, and I'm not even gonna take that long to get into the video. I'm gonna just go on right on ahead, y'all. So the package looks like this. It's pink. On the other side is the label, but you know, y'all kind of, there's crazy people out there, so I ain't trying to show y'all my address and all that good stuff, but you know, I already opened it. But y'all, I am in love with this fucking pack. Like, what? Look at how beautiful it looks. I haven't touched this stuff though yet, so I'm excited, y'all. So they come in bags. They come in little baggies, and they tell you exactly what it is. So I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I got a bralette and I got the thong, the matching thong with it. For those who are watching and think that my that I'm going to be trying on the thong, I'm not. I will try on the bra, however. I will try on the bra, so I guess I should open the thong first and then show y'all the bra and come out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so the thong. We opening the thong, y'all. Okay, so you know, I bought this thong because it's like the nude color, like a nude color of me is like my skin tone. What was it called? It says the color Mahogany, but I'm pretty sure on the site they called it brown sugar. So I'm gonna check that for y'all, but I got it in a size small and it feels good, you know, nothing too fancy. It feels like, you know, what Victoria's Secret's, you know, stuff like that. I just took out the bra. This is the bralette. This is how it looks. Same tag. It has a be careful label, so I'm not reading it right now, but y'all can read it on y'all own time when y'all buy y'all Savage Fenty. And y'all, like, this is like the best thing I've bought in a long time. Like, let me see if I can show y'all. Like, y'all see the buckle? Like, it's super gold. It's not like just like, oh, that's that fake gold trying to resemble gold. Like, this shit look nice. Like, this shit right here. What? It come with 3, you know, clips, 1 hook. Oh, and for my women, if y'all didn't know, you're supposed to start off on the first clip of your bras and then move into the 3rd clip as your bra stretches. It if you get the right size in bra. If you're getting the wrong size, then you're gonna have to adjust. But if you're getting your size, then you start on the last hook and make your way to the 3rd hook, and that should keep, like, you should be able to have that bra for a longer period of time. The more you know. Okay, so oh, my bra size is a 32B, and so, you know, I had to put on for, you know, the itty bitty committee. But oh my god, I love how Rihanna has all types of sizes. When you go on the site, you just see many different types of bodies, different skin tones. It's everything. Like, Rihanna knows how to be inclusive, yo. Like, and it's so crazy that she's not even, like, you know, this isn't her profession. She just decided one day that she wanted to do these things like makeup and all that. Oh, By the way, I got my Fenty beauty on, my Savage Fenty, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, but Rihanna is really like cool for, you know, being inclusive and just being very pro woman, like every woman, like she's so great. I love her. But I'm about to go try this on for y'all and let y'all see how it looks. So I'll be right back. Y'all, this jank like see-through, like hold up. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna get it to where y'all it won't be awkward. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so boom. Y'all, I put sticky notes on my damn titties. But y'all wasn't about to get a peep show. That's so so this is what the bra looks like. It's really see-through. Honestly, who cares? It's 2018, but I mean, I have family that might watch this, so you know, I can't be out here just exposing everything. But this is how it looks, y'all. Oh, I feel cute. I feel like, yes, like I feel important. I feel extravagant. I feel like money. Like I feel like I should have covered, you know, I should have covered them with like $20 bills. That's what I should have did. Dang. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna put my shades on. What? This is a whole look. Like I could go out right now. Not with my tag on. But yeah, it's like, what? What? Okay, Rihanna. Rihanna got me. Oh my god, Rihanna. Y'all, I think it's more the shades, but I'm feeling this right here. Like I told you, every woman needs their nude. Like this looks so good on my skin. It makes me look, it's a clean look, like with gold. What? I don't even know what to say at this point. Like, I actually need to take these off because I probably look crazy as hell. I probably will wear this tonight to watch SpongeBob in my bed. Like, who? Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like it's versatile. Like, I feel like you can dress this up and you can dress it down. Like, hold on, let me do something right quick. Bam. Oh. What? What? I look like motherfucking money right now. Yo. No one is gonna tell me I don't look like a fucking backup for Lil Kim's video right now. I could go. Yo. This is what K-Dash is right here. This is money. This is money. Y'all. I am shooketh. Like, I feel like $1 million right now. Like, thank you, Rihanna. It's mostly me, but you know, you probably help. But what? Bitch. I look like the coldest bitch in Antarctica. What you talking about? Like, what is you saying? Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. I don't got much else to tell y'all about my Savage Fenty, you know, experience. I definitely will be buying from them again. I love this bralette. The thong is cool. I'm probably gonna get more sets. That's probably what I'm gonna get. You know, I love Rihanna and what she's doing. She's very inclusive. So if you liked the bralette, I feel like you should go on the website and, you know, purchase it because it's really cool. And like, you could never go wrong with bralettes or a bra or panties. You know, the lingerie I'm not really sure of, so don't ask me about it. But if you liked this video, you know, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you catch yourself watching my videos all the time, you need to go ahead and subscribe and click the bell button so you get a notification when I do post a video. Well, I got more dance videos coming up, you know, in the works. So if you want me to do things like this in the meantime, just let me know. I'm willing to do it. Thanks you guys for your support, and I guess I'll see you around.